Police believe a Holly man may have been intoxicated when he crashed his motorcycle in Grand Blanc Township overnight. Grand Blanc Township police say the 37-year-old was riding south on Dort Highway when he couldn't handle a curve leading to a roundabout at I-75. This happened at around 2:15 this morning. Investigators say the motorcycle went over the curb and hit a sign, throwing him from the motorcycle. A nearby driver saw what happened, called an ambulance, which rushed him to the hospital. He's listed in critical condition. Investigators say alcohol likely played a role in this crash, and he was not wearing a helmet.